These fish are keeping fit and having fun by doing aerobic activity, which is swimming, eating a low-fat, high-fiber diet. Now that's what it takes to keep fit.
That's right. Over the years, Hal and I have been helping people get fit through the 3 key approach: proper nutrition, aerobic activity, and strengthening your muscles, such as strengthening your abdominals using the Body Break Ab Master.
The combination leads to losing weight and feeling good about yourself. Now doing one without the other really reduces your chance of success. So here's how the 3 key approach works. Proper nutrition means a balance. It's okay to have your treats occasionally, but on a regular basis, a high-fiber, low-fat diet will help you achieve your goals. You see, foods high in fat tend to also be high in calories, so you can't eat as much before your daily calorie allowance has been met, whereas foods high in fiber contain fewer calories, and you can eat more. You'll also feel fuller longer, since foods high in fiber expand in your stomach. You see, you'll gain weight when you eat too many calories or eat too much fat over a period of time. The only way to burn excess fat is to do aerobic activity, such as walking, cycling, or stepping, to increase your heart rate for at least 15 minutes. You'll start to burn fat when your heart rate is within your target heart rate range. The 3rd key is just as important to achieving your goals, and that's strengthening your muscles. And here's where the Body Break Ab Master comes into play. Your muscles, such as your abdominals, need to be strong since they burn fat and calories. If your muscles are small and weak, they can't burn what you eat efficiently.
When it comes to your abdominals, body fat is the ultimate difference between having a stomach that's strong but bulges and one that is strong and flat. So remember, if you want to lose excess body fat and firm up, it's a combination of all 3: proper nutrition, aerobic activity, and strengthening your muscles. It'll give you long-lasting results. The Body Break Ab Master will strengthen the long muscles that run from your rib cage to your pubic bone and the muscles along your sides. These muscles help you to bend to the front, the back, side to side, twist and curl your legs and upper body. They also improve your posture and support your back.